Hello, YouTube community. This is VIP Nobody, your tech on a fixed income PC builder, coming to you from the sunny outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man. Today, I wanted to try something a little different. A content creator on YouTube has come up with a exactly matching. This is the way he puts it. He made a Ubuntu look exactly like Windows 11 step-by-step guide. I'm going to try that today. I'm going to use the Ubuntu Studio install that I just got done doing to go ahead and try and make it look like Windows 11. Well, let's get started. I copy and pasted all of the links that he gave for the installs, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. If you go to his website, it's Linux Techs. He also does online schooling, and he specializes, pretty much he's a keyboard commando, and he specializes in using the terminal. Says it's easy. Well, for people who use keyboard and text, it's easy for them. Anyway, I've already gone ahead and installed, using the terminal, copy and pasting step by step each one of these commands, and here's some links as well to be able to go and get some of the things, but I'm gonna go ahead and forego that. Okay, the first thing he says to do is open the dash the extensions and type in the search for extensions dash to panel. We've done that. But let's click on it and see what it says. Install anyway. Well, that was a short experiment. Every time I try and do anything that is mentioned in his video, this is the kind of thing that occurs. So, don't know. Maybe it's because he was using regular Ubuntu 24 and I'm using Ubuntu Studio. I just thought it would be something nice to try and do, make it look more like a Windows environment for the workflow. But hey, some things work, some things don't. You just keep on trying, right? Anyway, this is VIP Nobody, your tech on a fixed income PC builder, coming to you from the sunny outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man.